Yeah, g'day fellas, welcome to Wally's Kitchen. You know, we're a kitchen, not a kitchen. Get fucked. So right, today we're making lamb obsession. Fuck yeah, good one for the bush doof. So, get your fucking hot pot, beer, whatever this is, this and this, I don't know, thanks mum. First things first, you put your fucking chops in. Yeah! Fuck yeah, in they go, slap them in. Come on assistant, two at once, woo! Fuck oath, oh, hands be messy. Get your mint sauce. Minty. Now say 1 to 2 fucking tablespoons, but we're half pissed. We're 3. Get on your wee dog. Worcestershire sauce. Don't be afraid with it.
You're soft.
Get it in you. It's good for you. Put hairs on your chest.
What the fuck?
That's good. Get that out of the way. Right, now you got your condensed cream of mushroom. Oh yeah. Oh, only the freshest in the bush doof kitchen. Oh, fuck yeah. Fucking slap that baby vomit in there. Oh yeah. Now what you do is get a little bit of water, rinse her out. Fuck yeah. Moist. Now you get your fucking French onion soup mix. Through she goes. Clean the kitchen. Have another beer. In. We should probably give that a stir. Where's the stirring utensil? Stirring utensil. Fuck yeah, get it in ya. Oh fuck yeah. This makes me moist. Now if you want you can chuck some veggies in. But we're in the bush. More veggies. We got fire, beer, Bon Jovi. What more could you want?
Yep.
Your next step. Lid on. Follow me to the oven. Now, people who are advised to wear hot gloves, them people are cunts. Fuck this hot! Fuck! Now, next trick of mine is find the shovel. And you put coals on top of the hot pot. Hello. Ow! Hot! Fuck!
Fuck it up.
We need a fucking smoke. Fucking ready. Ah! That was just dirt. It's all good. Dirt adds a bit of fucking crunch. Because you like crunch when you're having soup. Now, let that sit for like 2 hours. So when you're fucking annihilated, you have a good feed. Good night.